Hi, welcome to this very quick explanation of how to install and integrate the EBS-50 in your store. The EBS-50 is a very easy installation. We've done a series of tutorials where we explain all of the ways that you can connect the EBS-50 to your network. By default, we use a power adapter and an Ethernet cable, but you can also use the power adapter and a Wi-Fi adapter. You can also use power over Ethernet so that power and Ethernet all happen through the same cable. And this is the entire device. This runs your ESL server software. This talks to your ESLs in your store. This is the only thing you will need to install. And on the back side, you can see that it has a mounting bracket. With the EBS-50 comes this wall bracket that you can install anywhere. You can simply slide the EBS-50 on top of it and it clicks right into place. You can attach this to any wall. You can place this above the ceiling. You can place this behind the shelves, anywhere where it's not a nuisance. And like I said, in our tutorials, we can explain how you can power it with just power and a Wi-Fi adapter, power over Ethernet, or this default power and Ethernet. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you.